Whether your commute is just a couple of blocks to work or driving back and forth for hockey practice, it's always a good idea to have your vehicle stocked in case of an emergency. I'm Eric with Master Technician Search, and we're here to break down the items we recommend including in your vehicle emergency kit during the fall and winter when driving conditions can be dangerous due to weather.
In today's society, having a full charge on your cell phone before you hit the road and storing a charger in your glove box is essential in case you need to call for help. Vision is also critical when you're stuck on the side of the road, so make sure you pack a flashlight with extra batteries, a sturdy windshield scraper, and reflectors. Always use caution if you're pulled over and place the reflectors approximately 3 meters behind the vehicle. Jumper cables are another must-have in your vehicle. It allows for an easy fix in case your battery dies.
If you're nervous or unsure how to use the cables, ask your Hyundai technician to give you a demonstration. This small list of items can easily be stored in your vehicle and will have you feeling more confident while on the road. Safe travels.